Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today I have a review and packing video on this cute little backpack. It's the 31 Boutique backpack and the color is called Rose Blush Petal. Alright, so I am hoping that my lighting is okay in this particular setting. It's kind of overcast outside because in Florida it rains every single day in the summertime, and I have to get creative with my spots in the summer because I move around wherever the kids are not. So hopefully they won't find me here in the next couple of minutes. But this has been a review that a lot of you have been wanting ever since I did my 31 summer haul video with you guys a couple of weeks back. This is, like I said earlier, the Boutique backpack in Rose Blush Pebble. They have a couple of really cute colors in this backpack. I loved this one especially because I like the way that these straps kind of accent this blush color. I love like the gray and cream against the blush, and then I also really like the way that the back is just designed with the straps. I know that that might not make any sense, but I think it just looks really cute rather than like a plain solid color strap. It's just really fun for summer. So they have the same straps in like the brown backpack, and I believe the black one, but I'm not for sure. So you kind of have to look on the website and check out the colors and the straps with them. But this is what the back looks like anyways. The straps are super adjustable, so if you are taller, this backpack will fit you just fine. And then of course you have an awesome little grab handle here at the top. No back pockets or anything like that. You don't have any pockets on the side of the bag either. It's just nice and streamlined. And then when you get to the front here of the bag, you have two external pockets. This bag, you do have the option to embroider the front of it. So if you decide to do like an initial, your name or whatever, it would be right here on this front pocket, and it looks super cute. Like I said before in another one of my videos, I'm not a big fan of embroidery on the outside of bags that I'm carrying myself. I think it's super cute on lunch boxes, on thermal bags, even on the like the large utility totes. Embroidery looks super cute on like everyday bags. I'm just not like a big fan of it. But if you are totally cool, it would be right here on the front pocket. So right here, this little zipper pocket here is the absolute perfect pocket for your cell phone, which I do not have mine in here at the moment because it's charging, but I also have just a package of wet ones in here, so you guys get an idea of the size of the pocket. It goes down, well, about the length of a wet one's. It goes down perfect, so that kind of gives you an idea, but it is a wide pocket. It goes the entire width right here, so it's a great little grab external pocket. Not felt lined or anything like that, it's just a nice smooth lining there in the front. This pocket down here is perfect for any type of small essentials that you need to grab for. I just have my sunglasses here. I also have a couple of lip products, a Posh lip balm. I have an NYX lip gloss, some gum, a package of tissues, and then I also have a little Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer and a couple of hair ties because I need those like all the time in the summertime. The lining of the bag is really pretty. It's kind of like a diamond checked pattern here. It's just nice and subtle, but kind of adds a little something to it. So I like that it's not kind of bright and bold at you. So moving on to the inside of the bag, you have two zipper pulls here on the front that go all the way down to the side of the bag here. So let me kind of give you more of an up close on the inside. The zippers are nice and smooth across the top of the bag, and then when you open it up, you have a ton of room for pouches or however you want to pack it. If you don't like to pack necessarily with pouches, you could just kind of throw everything in here, and it's a really great backpack for that as well. There's no internal pockets inside this backpack except for this back zipper pocket, and all that I have back there is just a couple of on-the-go snacks for me and the kids. I have this little Nature Valley snack mix. I also have back there a couple of granola bars. A couple of these mini ones have been really awesome. These Lara bars for kids. These are just little kind of mini on-the-go ones. They've really been liking them. And then I also have back here a mini kind of bar for me. So it's the perfect little pocket for just quick grab like snacks. If I don't need like a whole cooler setup and just a couple of things in case somebody has a meltdown, that's a great little pocket for that. Then as you can see, I just have 4 other things packed in here. I like to pack with pouches. You guys know that from watching my videos. It's just easier for me with the ages that my kids are. I can just grab out what I need and throw it at them. So I have my 31 All About the Benjamins wallet in here. And then I also have my packed party keychain just attached on here. So if I want to just grab this and go and not carry my backpack for whatever reason, I have my keys attached to my wallet. It's a great little setup. Love this wallet. It's been a favorite since I got it. Then I also have in the middle right here my simplified planner. This is the new one that I just moved into, so you guys will be seeing this one in a lot of my videos. And I just have a little notebook here on top with the planner behind it. Then I have 2 more pouches in here. I'll start with this one, which is the Ruby mini pouch, and I do have a wristlet here on the side. And everything that I have packed up in here is just like small little essentials that I didn't want to get lost like in the actual bulk of the backpack. I can just grab this out and have whatever I need. I have a hand cream packed in here. I have a couple of pens down in there. And then I also have my pill case, a mirror, and a lip product. And I believe another hair tie. You guys will see them, tons of those. And then I just have one small little pouch inside here that has all of our like first aid type things that we might need while we're out. We don't need much. This is just like a quick trip bag, so it's just a small little pouch. This came with the Dagny Dover bag that I have, and I believe it came inside like a toiletry bag. So that's where I got this one from. It's just like a cute little mesh pouch. But I have my Posh Healer stick and my Posh Perk stick. This is like a peppermint stick. Then I also have down in here a ton of Band-Aids and some eyeglass cleaner wipes. I also have a pair of tweezers and travel scissors and an emergency tampon kind of down in there. So everything fits really well. Like I said, it's just like a little emergency bag if we need something of that nature when we're out. Then the last thing I have in here, which is a pouch that I am so excited about. I shared it in my 31 group as well as on Instagram because I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. But I want to kind of fold this back and move it a little bit out of the way so that you can see the pouch a little bit better. But this is the Hide and Peek pouch, and they have a couple of different patterns in this one. This one's obviously the mermaid one, but they have a dinosaur one and a ice cream one and another one, but it just has one little zipper across the top of it. It's not thermal or anything like that. It's just a really nice wipeable material. And when you unzip the zipper, I just have 2 little cars down here for my son. Again, like I said, this is like a quick trip bag, so I don't need a whole heck of a lot of toys or anything. And then when you push the pouch down, you have access to everything that you have in the bottom of the pouch. And it sits perfectly on a table if you're at like a restaurant or at a like park picnic or whatever you're doing. It's just the cutest little pouch. You could obviously put snacks in here, more toys in here. I have it set up for an art kit because that's just kind of the age of my kids, but I have different pens and markers. I also have 2 of these 2 of these Dollar Tree notebooks. They're just really small little ones that the kids draw on whenever we're out to eat. And then I also have some stickers tucked in here, but as you can see, you can really pack a lot in here, and it's just the cutest little on-the-go pouch. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's perfect. So you can basically pull it up and then put it back down whenever you need whatever's in it. So again, that's the Hide and Peek pouch. So that's everything I had packed up in here. It was really easy the way that it packs up. I love it. It's super lightweight. It's one of the lightest bags I've actually ever felt. So yeah, I definitely think it's a good one, and you guys should check it out. I'll of course have all the links below, and let me know if you have any additional questions. Have a great day.